Good afternoon, this is Amos of Amos Internet Consult. I'm going to show you how to build a landing page to promote CPA offers or just any kind of offer to earn you commission. The first thing is for you to go over to Google and search for this software, Mobirise4, and download it into your system. Click on it. If you click on it, it's going to load. Just launch the software, it's going to load. Now, as a beginner, you have to create an account. Register an account on the site or come over here. You're going to see where you're going to sign up for the software and all that. So sign up, make sure this section is well set up. After that, come over to sites and click on create new stuff. So now this is a theme. You can call it a theme, you can call it a template and all that. So you can leave it this section like this, and you can change it to making money landing page. So this is not really necessary landing page, and if you decide to use it, well, it's a personal thing, but it's not really, this doesn't really matter for now. So you can decide to leave it like that, or just give it a name. So now this is a Mobirise theme. You can select any of these 4 themes and all that. So we'll be using this one for now. Just click on it and come over to OK. Click on it. So it's gonna bring out a fresh environment. The stuff you saw over there is a dating landing page. Now I want to create a fresh one. So this is a fresh one. You can see this is the mobile view. I want to come over to the desktop view. You can see how wide it is. This is the mobile view. This is the desktop view. Now come over here. The block, add block to page. Come over here. You can see you're going to see this circle stuff. Just click on the plus icon. The first thing to do when creating a landing page is the headline. The headline section. So the headline section should be something like this. You can see article header. You can decide to use this or whatever you want to use based on your offer, or something that you feel like it blends with the offer you're promoting. So I don't want this subtitle. So anything you want to adjust, or the things you want to remove or add to your headline block or your block in general, just come over to the block parameters. Now I don't want this subtitle, so just come over here. You can see this stuff. Bring it to the left side. The subtitle will be removed. Now there's something we call padding. This is what we call the padding. We want the lower padding to go up a bit, and also the upper padding to go down a bit. So you can see I'm taking it up. You can see the lower padding, I'm taking it up so that it's gonna shrink. So I want to shrink the header. I think this is too much. This is too much. Let me increase it a bit. This is okay. So now this is okay. So just click on this to take it off. The next thing is for you to integrate an image of the offer, something like that. So but before that, you would like to edit this text. So to do that, just highlight it and delete it, or press Ctrl A. You can see it has been highlighted. Now how to cure eczema. Okay, highlight it again. How to cure eczema in 3 days. In 3 days. Oh, seems like we are going to increase the bottom padding so that the text over here will be a something like this is okay. Something like this is okay. How to cure eczema in 3 days. Now this is gone. Now this is perfect. This is perfect. Now for a header to be completely set up, the color must be in red. A typical header color should be in red. So meaning we're going to use something red or something close to red. You can see something like this. So how to cure eczema in 3 days. This is perfect. Now let us view the mobile version. You can see this is perfect. This is perfect. Now we need the offer image. So scroll over to the offer image on this block. You can see blocks. So scroll to the image section. Yeah, this is the image section. Now we've added the image section, the image block rather. So this is the image that comes with the software. Well, we don't want this image, so we're going to click on it to change the image. Click on it. Now come over to browse computer. Click on browse computer. Okay, so we want to come over. Okay, want to upload an image for our offer. So I want to upload an image of how to cure eczema, the offer image itself. So an image has been saved in this section of my computer gallery. So on how to cure eczema, fast. So let me search for it and upload the image to. So you're going to see the image right now. So make sure you know where your image is. So this is the image. You can double click on it. Now your image can contain your affiliate link or not, depending on how you want it. So this is the image we are using for this offer. How to cure eczema in 3 days. You can see Revitol eczema therapy cream, clinically proven to restore healthier skin in 3 days. So now you can use something like this: how to restore your healthier skin in 3 days, or how to cure eczema in 3 days. So that is why it is best for you to have up to 2 to 3 different landing pages, so that you know which one works better for you. But if you don't have the budget of having 2 to 3 landing pages promoting the same offer, you can as well use just one landing page and test run it for some hours to see if it's converting well. If it's not converting well, change the design of your landing page to give you the best results you want. So now the next thing for is to bring in our call to action button, where people are going to click on, so that it's going to bring out they'll be taken to the merchant page to purchase the products you want them to purchase, and when the purchase is done, you get a commission instantly. Now we are changing the image as well to buy now, something like that. So let us use an image that involves that is buy now, a buy now button, or pay now, something like that. You could either use click here to buy, or a button, or pay now button, or something like that. So get access now, get instant access. No, we don't take action, get started now. We want something that involves either pay now, buy now, something like that. Join now. So that should be sign up, join now. No, we want something like buy now, learn more here. You use something like this, learn more here, or click here to buy now. So now let us use this as a sample. Now you can see this is perfect. I love this, but the gap is too much. The padding is just too much. So we want to reduce the top padding so it can be perfect. Now we want to reduce the bottom padding so everything won't be that, the gap won't be too much. We want to change the top padding of this as well, so it won't be too far from the header. And we want to change the bottom padding. You can see right here, this is perfect. When you view this on your mobile phone or a tab, this is how it's going to display. You can see the header, you can see the image, then this is the buy now button. Now when someone clicks on this, it's going to take them anywhere, unless you chip in your affiliate link gotten from the offer page of the site of the network you're working with. Now learn more here is not going to work. It's not going to take them anywhere unless you integrate your referral link. Now to do that, click on the image, just like we click on it when we are about to upload the learn more button. Come over here to edit the link of the image. Come over here, just type in http here. I'm sure you must have gotten the link from the site you're promoting, Market L, something like this. This is a site I work with, Market L. So just get your link from the site and come over to the software. So now let me come over to the link section to upload, to integrate in with the button. Oh, okay. Okay, let me get my link. Yeah, this is my link. This is my link for the offer of eczema, curing eczema in 3 days and all that. So let me copy the link and go over to the software. So just align this and paste it and click on the start link. Yeah, the link has been started. So we are done. We are good to go. You can see this is how your landing page will be displayed when someone views it on a system, a laptop, desktop view. So when someone views it on a mobile phone, either a smartphone, a tab, is how they're going to see your landing page. You can see how clean it is. So there's some things that need to be done apart from designing a landing page. Although some people don't see it as something really necessary, but if you have the time, you can chip in those things there at least to get a perfect landing page. The page description should be about the offer you're promoting. The page description. So description of this stuff will be found. Let me see how. So the page description will be about the offer you are promoting. So make sure everything is well set up. Do not skip any aspect. So this is the page description. You can just now this should be like how to cure eczema. So make sure you check your spellings very well. Eczema before you upload your template to the web hosting. Eczema in 3 days. In 3 days. So I'm going to show you how this thing is going to display all these things later on. I'm going to show you. So now we are done with this section. Close this section. We are done with it. We are done with this section. Close it totally. So you can see how it's going to display on mobile, and this is desktop. Now when you purchase web hosting from a web hosting site, you'll be given the FTP, file transfer protocol. You'll be given the details, which is your cPanel details, control panel details of the web hosting and domain. So come over here to edit your web hosting. You can come over here to edit the FTP, the host, something like this. If the thing is still there, I don't think. Okay, my account, I don't think it is there. Delete stuff. Okay, it's not there. It's not there. So you'll be given an host of your web hosting. You'll be given the host link. This port is 21. You can leave it here. You'll be given a username in the cPanel email gotten from a web hosting. So the username will be here, the password will be here, then the host link will be here, and 21 should be here. So make sure all these things are gotten. I just cross check your links and everything. Go over to when you purchase web hosting and domain from Namecheap, for example. They're going to send an email to your they're going to send a message to your email inbox about the web hosting details and all that. So make sure you copy everything correctly. So you'll be given your host link, you'll be given your username and your password, your default password that you chose. So paste in your host link here, leave this on for 21, then type in your username here of your hosting and your password. Now click save. So if you want to know if all the things you did here is correct, come over here to type in test connection. It's going to test the connection to see if it is well set up or not. Now when you're done with that, just come over here and type in public underscore HTML, something like that. Public underscore HTML or something like that. So make sure, but if you are having difficulty at this section, make sure you send me a mail. So this is how to build a landing page and all that, how to build a landing page of CPA offers and all that. So we are done with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Amos of Amos Interbusiness Consult. If there's any challenges you are having creating a landing page like this, don't hesitate to send me a message on my Skype, on WhatsApp, or call me if you have my number directly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.